is up, Web3 crew? Krista 2 Moons right here at Token2049 Medina Jumeirah, and I'm with Mr. William of USDKG. How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you.
How's the event so far?
It's actually the biggest event I've been to. First time in Dubai, first time at Token2049. I'm loving it. Good energy.
How did you guys prepare for Token2049?
I'm not gonna lie. Our guys, our team told us about this event with 1 month to go, so we had very little time to prepare. But we did the best we could. We got merch, we got hats, we got brochures. You know, high energy, talking to everybody. That's the best you can do.
And before anything else, Will, can you please give us a bit background of yourself before you come up with the USDKG?
Yeah, absolutely. My background is in business finance. I studied University of Munich, graduated 2019, and I thought I was going to go into private equity. That's what my family does, but I decided to get into crypto. That's when all the rage, all the buzz was going on. And so since then, I've been investing, jumping around from project to project. I started a Web3 game. I did a little bit of solar energy tokenization, and now I'm with USDKG, which is a new passion of mine.
What does USDKG do?
So USDKG is a stablecoin. It's a private initiative based out of Kyrgyzstan. We have deep support from the government. It's backed and endorsed by the government. And essentially the country wants to rival the stablecoins that we have out there, because you look at USDT, the problems that it has in Europe. Circle is a little bit better. USDC, of course, is a little bit better, but they have their own issues. And we are a stablecoin that is pegged to the dollar but backed by gold. Gold from the Ministry of Finance of Kyrgyzstan.
Now, what makes USDKG stand out from all the competitors? You know that we have a lot of competitors around.
We are going to be audited by one of the top 4 accounting firms. We don't know which one yet, whether that be Ernst & Young, KPMG. So that's one differential factor, and that audit will come every 6 months. And the biggest one by far is that all our reserves are backed by verifiable gold, right? Real physical gold stored in vaults. And that's different from any other token. We're not a gold token like PAX-G or things like that. We're a dollar-pegged stablecoin, all backed by gold. The third differential factor would be, of course, that we have deep support from the government of Kyrgyzstan, and in fact USDKG is planning on become legal tender inside the country of Kyrgyzstan, which is absolutely massive.
What do you think will be the future impact of the company in the community or in the ecosystem?
Look, there's a lot of stable coins and all of them hope to be USDT, all of them hope to be USDC, and I never believed it, but I really do think that USDKG has the first real chance at doing that. I mean, imagine the fact that it will already be legal tender in the country of Kyrgyzstan. That's already millions of users off the bat, and the deep support and the financial status of the government and the private people involved, along with the trust that USDKG brings with the gold backing, I think it does have a decent chance at taking USDC and USDT to run for its money.
Thank you so much. And now what's next with USDKG? Where are you guys heading to next? Any upcoming events or future projects to launch?
Yeah, see us at Token2049 in Singapore. The event has been going really great. We know that we have to go there. And next is the launch, right? We're not launched yet. We want to do that next 3 months.
Okay.
So expect the gold audit, which is really important for the community to trust us, and expect the full launch. And we'll see you at Singapore Token2049.
All right, thank you so much, William. I have one last question. What do you think is the future of money?
That's a good one. Gosh, you know, I'm here thinking something about gold or something about crypto. You know, we traded money since it was seashells or bamboo sticks. I really think, personally, an opinion, gold will stick around forever. I don't think just because of crypto, gold will go away. But because I'm part of USDKG, I'll answer this. A crypto backed by gold. That's the future of money.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
now describe this event in 3 words. Let's go.
Energy, hype, tokenization.
Thank you, William. I hope you get a lot of insights from him. This is me, Krista 2 Moons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.